Hello, friends. Today I am going to talk about six thinking hats. Six thinking hats is a concept written by Edward de Bono. The associated idea parallel thinking provide a means for groups to plan thinking process in a detailed and cohesive way. The premise of this method is that the human brain thinks in a number of distinct ways which can be deliberately challenged and hence planned for use in a structured way, allowing one to develop tactics for thinking about particular issues. In my experience of 24 years working with large corporates, I have been part of various meetings and I have conducted various meetings. Not all of them were successful. There are times I might have gone into meeting with great expectations and lots of enthusiasm and with candid intent to bring in some great ideas to work. But there are some meetings which has worked my way and some have not. Over a period of time, with experience, I learned, and I also, after looking at six thinking hacks concept, it was really a great eye opener, and I started using this concept to conduct my meetings and made it successful by putting a simple structure to my meetings. I will explain you how it can be done in my next slide. There are six hats and there are six different colors, and each color represents different emotions. When you are conducting a meeting, each one carries a different kind of attitude and they have inherent behavior which they are going to bring into the meeting. So you might have observed various meetings that somebody always comes with negative thought process and always questions the status quo. So there are some people who are trying to ensure that meeting goes well, and there are some people who bring in a lot of positivity and they bring in a lot of creativity on the table. So whenever you are going with the intent of making a meeting successful and you see that there are somebody who is actually trying to put it down and say that this thing doesn't work, so that's when you actually become clueless on when you are representing fantastic ideas, why is that somebody is not agreeing to the ideas. So the reason is very simple. They are not actually coming up with the negative thought process just because they want to intentionally bring in negative thought process. It's just that they have a thought and they want to express it. You can use six thinking hats concept to conduct your meeting in two ways. One is to use the structured flow of meeting that all of them wear same at each point of time, and the other way is to observe who is wearing what hat and manage the meeting tactfully with attentive listening and bring participation. Start with the blue hat and set the context, and then we should move on to the red hat to check how everybody is feeling, and then you can move to white hat, start the meeting, collect the facts and data points in terms of the problem you are trying to address, and then come back to again red hat and then collect the feelings in terms of what each and everybody is feeling about the problems we are facing, and then you can uh, touch upon slightly black hat as well to understand what are the problems we are facing and what is the shortcomings we have on each and every data point. And then ideally now you should move to the green hat, and here is where you are going to stay for long. You need to really brainstorm and collect ideas in terms of what exactly is the solution which you are going to find out for the issues or for the situation you have. And this is where you can use various methods to maybe silently brainstorm, or you can go one by one to collect ideas and document the ideas. And next again maybe you'll have to hover around again red hat, and then black hat and white hat, based on the ideas which you are discussing. Once you are clear on the action plan, you have brought all the ideas together, then you should actually go ahead and put together the action plan based on the benefits you are going to derive from each and every idea. And I think you can end the meeting with a clear cut action plan and conclude the meeting with blue hat. Hope you have fairly understood how to use six thinking hats to conduct your meeting structured manner. Let me just tell you that not always you can use six thinking hats for conducting your meeting. So mostly this can be used for your team meetings, where you are actually trying to bring up a solution for a particular situation or a problem you are facing, or a brainstorming session, or you are trying to improve a particular process. So that's when you have to use this technique, and you may not be required to use this technique in other situations for various other meetings. Thank you. Let me know if you have any feedback.